Rolling side planks for spinal stability. We're gonna start in our side plank position on our forearm. Feet are going to not be stacked. Top foot is in front. This allows us to pivot and roll. I'm going to come up, nice tight packed shoulder, ribs on the bottom, elevate towards the ceiling, nice and controlled here. You can hold. I like going in a pattern where my hands are kind of across. You can do whatever feels well for you. From here, we're gonna roll together to our forearms. Now I'm in a double standard plank and I'm gonna roll back. Keys that we're looking for is not having the torso, or sorry, the pelvis roll independently without the torso. Everything should be rolling together. So prime example here, twisting without my upper body twisting creates a twist at the lower spine. So we wanna keep that together. So commonly what I cue, lift aside and then roll. You can go at pace and tempo if you want to. Rolling planks for spinal stability.